In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an image. This is an AI image and turn it into a video and talking, just like this.
I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies.
As you can hear, it sounds pretty good, right?
I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies.
Alright, since that tomorrow we're gonna make a lot of babies, I'm gonna show you in today's video how to make the tutorial on how you can make an AI image and turn this AI image into a talking head videos, or you can do a prank video for your friends also. So the tool we'll be using is called PixVerse AI. This is the video that we already done.
Adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies. I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies.
So the first thing we need is an AI image. I already make the videos, guys, okay? I already make the videos here. How you can use image FX to generate AI images. And I also mentioned yesterday, okay, the yesterday tutorial, I mentioned how you can make this kind of prompt to generate this kind of result, okay? So today, since we have the AI image already, we can use a tool to turn that AI image into AI video, okay? So the first thing you want is that you want to use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to come up with an image prompt. So this is the prompt that I'm using to come up with this image, okay? So I got this image, I just download it, and then I go to hailuo AI or kling AI to turn the image into videos, guys. And this is the video. As you can see, she's now talking. So you can log into your hailuo AI and then you can come here, create videos, and then you can just use the prompt. The woman is talking naturally with her lips moving. Camera is stationary. This is very important. You need to keep your camera stay still. Okay, if I were to redo this, so this is the home page. You can go to create videos, and then what you want to do is that you want to upload the image here that you got from image FX, and then you can just put in the prompt. After that, click on generate. Once you like the result, you can click on this button to download it to your computer, or you can use Kling AI as well, but Kling AI is very long. It's taking forever now. And then when you want to go to this website, once you have the video, you want to make the video do the lip sync, okay guys? So go to PixVerse. You can sign up with your Google account. After that, you want to go here, speech, okay, go to this section, and you want to upload the video right here, okay? So I got this video from hailuo AI. It was on my other computer. I just downloaded it. And next, you need an audio. You can use 11 Labs or you can use Minimax. You can see this is my audio.
I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies.
So to generate the audio, you can go to minimax.io/audio/text-to-speech, and then you want to put in the text here. After that, you want to change the voice actor. There are many different voice actors. There are male, female.
In the quiet of dusk, every whispered secret of the city finds its echo in the beating heart of the night.
Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm where dreams and reality intertwine.
So you can select anyone you like. The one I used was Radiant Girl.
Each moment unfolds like a vivid painting, where even the subtlest hues speak of untold adventures.
So if this is the one you like, you can use it. Sorry guys, I have to sneeze. So once done, you can click on generate down here, and once it's generated, you can click on the download button right there. After that, you can go to PixVerse and you come to speech. Okay, this section, speech. You upload your video that you got from either hailuo AI or kling AI, and then you can upload your audio from here or from minimax or from 11 labs, and then you simply click on create. So it will cost 60 credits. I already used mine and my credit is, it's non-existent. I have to upgrade. So that's very basic guys, and the result that we got was this one. Wait, where's our result? Okay,
I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies. I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies. I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies. I love Eddie so much. He is adorable. We will get married tomorrow and make many babies. I love Eddie so much.
man, I can play this video forever. I love it. So that's how you can make your AI girlfriend, and this is a lip sync service guys. It's awesome. Okay, I'll put a link down below if you are interested. Anyway, this is a short tutorial on how to do lip sync video using AI, and I already give you the steps. First, you want to generate the image, and then you turn that image into a video, and then you turn that videos with audio into the end result here. All right, in the next video we're gonna turn this one into this one guys, but I will use different services. Okay, we will not use this website. There are other websites to do lip sync. Okay, I will share it to you in the next video. So please make sure you like this video if it is helpful. Subscribe, share it to your friends. Let me know your results. In the next tutorial we're gonna do other websites that is doing lip sync, that can do lip sync as well. Yeah, stay tuned for the video. It will be uploaded tomorrow. Okay, see you and bye bye.